Gravin, a small, brave boy, every day he loved to play outside with his bright red balloon. The balloon floated away straight towards a deep and mysterious forest. He followed the balloon into the forest. Tall trees and thick bushes surrounded him. He looked around carefully and searching, and listening to his heart, full of curiosity. Then something shiny caught his eyes. He knelt down and found a tiny magical flower.
Wow,
Some of the flowers glowed with tiny beautiful flames. So excited, he ran to the village to tell his friends about the magical flower. Videos like this tend to make millions of money and pulls in a lot of views each week. So today we are going to learn how to create animation videos. So first, let's go to ChatGPT. So if you don't have ChatGPT, you can head on to Google Play Store, then download ChatGPT. Or you can visit their website, create an account with them, then start using ChatGPT. Now for this video, I have ChatGPT app. So I'm going to click on ChatGPT app. It is opening. This is now the interface of ChatGPT. Now on ChatGPT, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to upload a file. I have a file that I have written my prompts. So I'm going to click on this plus icon here. Then click on files here. Now this is my prompt. I have saved it into Word. This is my little story I want ChatGPT to create for me. So this is about Gravin. Gravin was a little boy who loved playing with this bright red balloon. One sunny afternoon, a strong wind blew out of his hands and carried it towards a dense forest. So this is my prompt, my story. I'm going to give this prompt to ChatGPT to create more scenes. So I'm going to tell ChatGPT to convert my story into 18 scenes. Convert my story into 18 scenes, into 18 scenes, into 18 scenes. And then I'm going to click this arrow here. Now ChatGPT is preparing my scene based on the story that I have given it. Now ChatGPT has given these scenes to me. Scene 1. Gravin happily plays in an open field, holding his bright red balloon. So this is my scenes. Now the next thing that we are going to do is that we are going to tell ChatGPT to write for us a well-detailed image prompt. And now this is the prompt that I'm going to give ChatGPT. Write for me a detailed image prompt for each scene of the story, describing the visual in a way that it fits animated video. So these are prompts that ChatGPT is giving me, and these are very nice prompts. For example, you see a sunny open field with soft green grass. Gravin, a small brave boy with green clothes with stripes, drops of gold. So this is prompts that ChatGPT has given to me. Since we have our prompts, we are moving to our exciting part, and that is creating stunning images. And we shall be using free AI called Leonardo. So if you don't have Leonardo, you can download it on Google Play Store, then create an account for free with leonardo.ai. Now this is the interface of Leonardo AI. It is loading. So let's wait patiently the magic that is going to happen here on leonardo.ai. While on Leonardo app, the next thing that we are going to do is that we are going to take prompts from ChatGPT, then paste here in this prompt box. Let's click generate. This is what Leonardo.ai has generated for me. Now Leonardo is giving us stunning images. As you can see, a baby boy with a beautiful balloon. So these images, we shall be picking the best ones that we shall be using to generate our video. Now the next step, once we have downloaded our images, we are going to Clink AI. Clink AI tool for creating imaginative images and videos based on the state-of-art generative AI. This is the interface of Clink AI. So what we are going to do is that we are going to click on AI video. So while here, we are going to click here to upload, then select from our camera roll here. Then we are going to allow this up. So we are going to start with our first image here, this one. Then we wait for Clean AI to create a video for us here. And it will only take few minutes to make a video for us. Now our Clean AI is generating our image into video, so we need to wait patiently for it to finish. So we need to wait patiently for it to finish the magic. So our video is almost ready. As you can see, this cartoon is running. So we have, congratulations, we have made our video. So the next thing that we need to do is that we need to download it here. You can download it to MP4 just with the watermark, and we know what we shall be doing with it once we have finished downloading it. Now our video is already downloaded. Now for the voiceover script, I'm going to use ChatGPT to write for me a clear voiceover. Now this is what ChatGPT has written to me. So I will take this voiceover, then paste it to 11 labs. Now the final part is the most exciting part, putting everything into editing. Now I have my voiceover here, I have my clips here, and I'm editing on the CapCut app on my mobile phone. So let me edit. We shall see the final results. Gravin, a small, brave boy, every day he loved to play outside with his bright red balloon. The balloon floated away straight towards a deep and mysterious forest. He followed the balloon into the forest. Tall trees and thick bushes surrounded him. He looked around carefully and searching, and listening to his heart, full of curiosity. Then something shiny caught his eyes. He knelt down and found a tiny magical flower. Some of the flowers glowed with tiny beautiful flames. So excited, he ran to the village to tell his friends about the magical flower.